Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to invest in real estate with $100 or less. When I think about real estate investing, I think about two options. The first option is buy a piece of real estate, manage that piece of real estate yourself, collect rental income from a tenant, manage your expenses, and hopefully at the end of the day, you make a profit. But I call that being an active real estate investor. What I'm going to walk you through today is a passive way to become a real estate investor through real estate investment trusts or REITs. REITs are companies that own or finance income producing real estate across a range of property sectors. These real estate companies have to meet a number of requirements to qualify as a REIT. Most REITs trade on major stock exchanges and they offer a number of benefits to investors. REITs allow anyone to invest in portfolios of real estate the same way they invest in other industries through the purchase of individual company stock or through a mutual fund or exchange traded fund. REITs invest in a wide variety of real estate types, including retail, office, apartment buildings, warehouses, hospitals, bridges, parking facilities, data centers, cell towers, infrastructure for hotels. Most REITs specialize in one property type, but there are REITs who specialize in multiple property types as well. Most REITs operate on a straightforward, easily understandable business model by leasing space and collecting rent on its properties. The company generates income, which is then paid out to shareholders in the form of dividends. REITs must pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders. Most pay out 100%. In turn, shareholders are required to pay tax on those dividends. Historically, REITs have delivered competitive total returns based on high, steady dividend income and long-term capital appreciation. An individual may buy shares in a REIT, which is listed on major stock exchange, just like any other public stock. Investors may also purchase shares in a REIT mutual fund or a REIT exchange traded fund. Now we know some of the basic information about REITs. Let's take a look at 3 ETFs under $100 that you could potentially invest in and become a real estate investor. The first REIT ETF is Vanguard Real Estate ETF, symbol VNQ. This Vanguard REIT ETF is a great income producing investment with a yield of 4.1%. It has a low expense ratio of 0.12%, so investors don't have to worry about the expense chipping away at returns. The easiest way to get broad exposure to a sector is to buy a general REIT, which owns a mix of all types of REITs property types. This can be secured through Vanguard's VNQ. The goal of the investors who purchase this fund is for the asset to produce a higher level of income that provides moderate long-term capital appreciation. A great option for income-seeking investors. VNQ covers 2/3 of the value of the entire US REIT market, with its market capitalization allocations across mid to large cap equities, deeming it stable, diversified asset. iShares Core US REIT ETF, symbol USRT. USRT has about 155 holdings and contains the 50 largest REIT companies. This diversification provides exposure to a large number of REITs. The REIT ETF focuses on healthcare, residential, and retail. USRT has an expense ratio of 0.08, which is low, and no other expenses associated with managing the fund. This makes it a cheap fund that can compete with expense ratio lower than Vanguard's VNQ. Fidelity MSC Real Estate Index ETF, symbol FREL. FREL has an affordable expense ratio of 0.08 and a dividend yield distribution around 4. It has a historic above average return rating, holding average risk. REFL's holdings consist of companies with market capitalizations of broad spectrum with a blend of value and growth. Well, there you go, guys. I hope this video shedded a little bit more light on options out there that are available to you guys who want to be real estate investors, but may not have that traditional 20% to put down so that you can own and manage your own real estate investment. Not saying that at some point in the future you can't do that, but this is a great opportunity through REITs to be able to take $100 or less and invest in a investment that is professionally managed and potentially could increase in value over time and could potentially pay you pretty handsome dividends while you wait. Drop me some comments down in the comment box. Let me know what you guys think about REITs. Let me know also if you already invest in REITs, and I'd like to know what your experience has been. I think that would be helpful for the whole community. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. Share this video, smash that like button for me. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. If you want 2 free stocks, Weebull is going to give you 2 free stocks when you open up a Weebull brokerage account, and you can deposit any amount of money in that brokerage account. They're going to give you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. That's right, guys. You heard me correctly. You can put $1 in that new brokerage account, and Weebull is going to give you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. So after the video, I want you to go to the description box of the video, and I want you to click on the Weebull link. Sign up for Weebull, open your new brokerage account, and get those 2 free stocks, man. And you're going to have an opportunity to start building wealth with that brokerage account. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.